Here's how to create a WhatsApp community in less than a minute. On WhatsApp, just tap on the plus icon from the top right, and if you're on Android, it will be at the bottom right. Now tap on Create Community. Then you can change its photo, name, and description. And after you have created a community, you can add groups to the community and also add new members. And to edit your community info, just tap on the three dots, go to Community Info, and from here you can add members, add groups, create invite links, and edit your community info. Then you should also check community settings, and here you can limit who can add new members and add new groups. This will help you protect your community from spammers. That's all. Now you're ready to grow your community in WhatsApp. Enjoy!